I am Meendy Sinhua's reporter at the first press conference of the new Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim. Anwar Ibrahim, the leader of the Pakatan Harapan, also known as PH Coalition, has been named as the Prime Minister of Malaysia, the National Palace said on Thursday. Anwar has later sworn in at 5 p.m. at the National Palace. Malaysia had been in a state of political stalemate following the result of an indecisive snap national poll last Saturday, with no political coalition or party securing enough seats in the country's lower house of parliament to form a government on its own. Malaysian King Sultan Abdullah Sultan Ahmad Shah held several audiences with the heads of major political coalitions in a bid to break the stalemate and convene the conference of rulers to deliberate on the matter. Following the meeting, Anwar, whose PH coalition had secured 82 seats in the polls, making his group the biggest, was named as the country's new prime minister, allowing the formation of a new government.
Anwar, 75, says the primary focus of his government includes economic rejuvenation, political stability, fighting against corruption, and ensuring good governance, among others.
This is a national unity government. All are welcome on condition you accept the fundamental rules of good governance, no corruption, and Malaysia for all Malaysians.
Anwar has instructed his party to hold a vote of confidence on December 19th. He also keeps the door open for other political coalitions to join his unity government should they be willing to accept the principles of his coalition.